Rubicon/Wrangler, year model 2016. No crank, no starty status po. Engine doesn't turn over. Okay, OBD scanning result yielded multiple trouble codes. Nakikita nyo po, napakarami po niyan. Pero yung pinaka-notable result po niya, yung lost communication with PCM or ECM. Wala pong signal from PCM. So, hindi po natin mapipinpoint agad-agad at pahirapan po ang pagtotroubleshoot at diagnosis nito. Most probably, kung iba po yung titingin, sasabihin nila defective PCM po to. Kasi wala nga pong signal from PCM. Dalawa na daw po yung tinawag ng may-ari na i-try na isubok na gawin po to. Kaso hindi po nagawa, kaya tinawag po tayo. Okay, without replacing parts po, vehicle started after 30 minutes. God's grace po, within 30 minutes po napa-under po natin. Wala po tayong pinapalitang piyesa. Yan po yung primary goal natin in every repair po na ginagawa natin. Proper diagnosis to pinpoint what is really the problem po. Yun po. At hindi po tayo pabili ng piyesa in the expense of the owner. So, malalaki po ang gastos, kawawa naman. No? So, ang pinakaano po natin, target talaga natin, no trial and error on parts, fast diagnosis, and quality service po. Okay? To God be the glory po for this repair po at isa na naman pong blessing. Thank you so much po.